Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to build a professional resume and then upload it to your LinkedIn profile. First, open your browser and go to linkedin.com. If you don't already have an account, create one by following the sign-up process. LinkedIn is a platform focused on employment opportunities, networking, and career development. Once your account is set up, you can begin creating your profile by adding details like your skills, education, and work experience. Once you are logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Clicking this will take you to a page with several settings categories such as sign-in and security, visibility, communications, and data privacy. For this task, focus on the data privacy section. Scroll down slightly until you find the option called Job Seeking Preferences. In the Job Seeking Preferences section, look for Job Application Settings. Click on this option to proceed. Here, you will find the area where you can manage your resumes. If you wish to upload a new resume, click on the Upload button. A file selector window will appear, allowing you to choose the resume file from your computer or device storage. Select the file you want to upload and confirm your choice by clicking Open. After the file is uploaded, you will see it added to your list of resumes. Now let's discuss how to create a resume. One great tool for creating professional resumes is Canva. Go to canva.com, a design platform that offers pre-built resume templates. Search for resume in Canva's search bar, and you will find various templates to choose from. Select one that suits your style and click on Customize Template. In the customization interface, you can edit every element of the resume. Start changing your name, then profession, and contact details. Update the sections for experience, education, skills, and any other details relevant to your professional profile. You can also upload your photo and customize the template's colors and fonts to match your preferences. Once your resume is ready, click on Download and save it as a PDF file. Return to LinkedIn, go to your profile, select the PDF file you created in Canva from your device, and upload it. After uploading, you'll be prompted to enter a job title, which helps LinkedIn align your resume with job opportunities. Once this step is complete, your resume will be uploaded to LinkedIn, and you can use it to apply for jobs directly on the platform. And that's it. Thank you for watching.